Previously on Acadian, we traveled from Great Bridge through the ICW and into the Chesapeake to our first anchorage, Little Bay at Fleets Island, where we enjoyed some beach time and got our drone working again. In this episode, we sail 40 nautical miles north up the Chesapeake to check out the highly recommended cruising stop, the Solomons, where we enjoy some solitude in a very calm anchorage, dinghy our way to shore to check out the town, and attempt to catch some Maryland crabs. Thanks for watching. You can support us for free by commenting, giving the video a like, and hitting the subscribe button.
Well, this is a new problem. I think we stuck on something up there. Check it out. Alright, Holly, loosen it. A little more. Alright, pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. That looks better. Yeah, you can pull it down. Keep pulling. Keep going. The further down you get it, the faster we'll go. The sail is so massive, dude. That is a huge sail. Beautiful thing right there. Sailboat under sail. Got quite a mess here, babe. It's alright. Doing some sailing. We're trying to go that way, but the boat's pointed that way because the wind is coming from that way. So we're gonna go far enough out here, and then once we get to there, we're gonna tack and we're gonna head for this point here. So hopefully we can go straight across. That's our plan, because we want to go into this cut, or to this spot called the Solomons. What you think?
Wish it was a little windier.
As we approach the east coast of the Chesapeake Bay, the wind begins to die out, so we tack over to our next course, and I take advantage of having pressure on the sails to walk around the deck and do an inspection of the shrouds where they attach to the chain plates. Everything looks... Yeah, see, this one's a little bit loose, but that's actually really good. That's not bad at all. So, all right. Happy with that. It's pretty up there, babe. Right there, we're trying to get around Cedar Point. So we're pointing pretty high into the wind right now. And once we get around Cedar Point, we're gonna go up into this bay over here to the Solomon Islands. And that's where we're gonna spend a couple of days just hanging out and enjoying ourselves. And if you can see, our boat points really well into the wind. We got a heading of 340 and the wind is coming from 31. That's pretty darn good.
We make it into the inlet and find a nice secluded spot to anchor. First order of business is to find any place open that serves cold beer and fish tacos.
What's up?
Where are we going?
Ride? That is a cool old boat, dude. The D of St. Mary. Look how long the boom is on this boat. So it's a very sultry, hot day today. Getting into the groove here in the Solomons. Gorgeous place. There's all kinds of activity today. What kind of boats? Towboat US is over there making some money. And we got some neighbors. You know, they came in anchored earlier today. And we're gonna try and catch us some dinner. Today we both purchased a fishing license for Maryland because we're gonna be in Maryland for a few months. And yeah, Holly's over here baiting our crab trap. How you doing, babe?
Good.
Some of the mackerel we caught, wasn't able to eat all of it before it went bad. Perfect crab bait. So what, you got a technique going on here? What's the technique?
Tie the fish to the net.
Tie the... That's simple, huh? Yeah, okay. That looks pretty good.
Yeah, it smells like the crab's gonna eat it.
Yeah, it's kind of fishy, ain't it?
I need another fishing line.
Some more fishing line. Okay, I got you. There you go. And I'm sure you can just smell how good that looks. Man, that just smells so good, don't it? I think we're gonna set this crab traps by these pilings over here. Some pilings are close to that beach. Let's do that. All right. So whenever you're ready, I'll get in the dinghy and we'll set them. And leave me a couple of pieces of bait for the fishing pole. So I'm gonna fish. How often are we gonna check them?
15 minutes.
Every 15 minutes. Okay, yeah.
Okay, we time 15 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah, time 15 minutes.
Okay.
Alright, so I put one in shallow water and I put one in a little deeper water. Put like right up next to those pilings, and I put one a little deeper.
Okay.
So we'll see which one does better. Yeah, so pull it fast, 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 fast. Pull. There you go. You got it, you got it, you got it. Oh, why is it crooked? Oh, hold on. There's something wrong with that one. Tie the string to that. It's the first run failure because of we had a mechanical failure on the first one. Let's go to the next one. You ready for the next one?
I'm ready.
Flawless approach. Net's coming up, net's coming up, net's coming up, and it is full of crabs. Why is it upside down? Oh, bait's gone. All right, bring it with us. Huge failure, people. Huge failure. I'm not sure about these nets there, babe. They're kind of crappy.
Babe, that is not keepable.
So our first Chesapeake Bay crab, blue crab, by the way.
He's a baby.
Here we go. We're gonna let him go back.
Although we enjoyed this anchorage, daily heat advisories, and not an edible crab to be caught, our time in the Solomons had come to an end. So the next morning, we pick up our anchor and head further up the Chesapeake Bay towards St. Michael's.
Dirty laundry water. Like literally gray water. So we have been washing our clothes at laundromats, you know, going into different marinas and even walking into town and finding laundromats and washing clothes. And we're here in St. Michael's, Maryland. Beautiful, beautiful town. We're actually really excited to explore the town. We went in yesterday and got some dinner. As soon as we have clean clothes, we're going to go in and really do some exploring around the town. But one thing they don't have is a way to wash your laundry.
Yeah, no laundromats.
Yeah, no
Marinas
laundromats.
don't let you do it at their place.
And rightfully so.
You have to get a slip.
It's for guests. But the slip fees are like $3.75, $4 a foot.
Which is double what we normally pay.
Yeah, we're not going to pay that just to go wash clothes because we don't need to go into the marina. They have nice dinghy docks. We can go in and out, and we've got a nice anchorage.
So
we're not going to wash our clothes in a machine this time. We're going to wash our clothes in
a bucket.
That's our washing machine today.
Man, it's a nice bucket.
It's a nice bucket. Paddle bucket. It's got a nice handle on it. Look at this handle. We found this thing floating in Key West. It's got somebody's sticker on it. Pure pleasure. Pure pleasure. If you're watching, we found your bucket. all the Louisiana friends out there who love duck hunting. This is an actual punt gun is what they called it. It's got an 1.5-inch bore. It was loaded from shore and it was used for duck hunting on Chesapeake Bay, where they would basically aim the gun with the boat and then you shoot it once. If you didn't get 30 ducks, you were considered, with one shot, you were considered a bad punt gun hunter. 30 ducks, that's the goal. Look at this thing. Holy crap. Look, there's another one on the wall over here. Big guns. That is cool. And there it is, says it right there. That's funny.